So after this S-300 missile struck Polish territory, killing 2 civilians, we have the Ukrainian president and some diplomats saying it's Russia, Russia, Russia. And then when it was proven it wasn't, Zelensky kept saying, yes, it's Russia. It's Russia. We need to investigate it because it's Russia. And I'm just thinking, does he want us all dead? Does he want World War III to happen? And that's where I ask myself, and I think to myself, do we really know who we're fighting for? Do we wonder if Zelensky has lost his mind? I mean, yeah, he's been put in a corner, but he's been involved in a scandal now, talking about FTX, and now he wants us to go to war, wants NATO to go to war with Russia? I mean, this is behavior that I think seems a bit off. I really do. Because, and even when we're saying, well, okay, Russia was not at fault, it was not at fault in this attack, it was. See, this is the kind of stuff that creates double think. Well, Russia wasn't involved, but we blame Vladimir Putin anyway, because if it weren't for the war, we wouldn't be in the situation as we are. I mean, this is weird behavior for a war.